In this part, we're just going to look at using our calculator to do a few things. So a lot of what we had learned before the calculator, you're going to continue to do the same way. These are just going to be angles, again, that are, beyond that interval of 0 to 90 degrees. All right, so in this first part, as I've stated, anytime that it's sine, cosine, or tangent, you're going to type it in your calculator just like it is, which is the same thing that we had done before. So on this one, you would just type in your tangent, 433.8. Of course, if you got it in degree mode, remember that you don't have to put the degree symbol, so you could just check and make sure that it is in degree mode. All right, so enter it in as it is, hit enter, and there's your answer. Now it has you to round to 4 decimal places here, just like what we had done before, so this would be 3.4420. So there's your answer for that one. Okay, the second one that we're going to look at, the only difference is the fact that you've got a negative angle, but just as the statement at the top tells you, anytime it's sine, cosine, tangent, just type it in as it is. So you would have cosine negative 251. Again, you don't have to put your degree symbol. So this one, to 3 decimal places, you would have negative 0.3256. That one would end up rounding up. Now, when we did our calculators before, we didn't have any values that were negative, but all of the angles we had were between 0 and 90 degrees, which is first quadrant, and everything's positive in the first quadrant. So since we're getting out from the first quadrant into second, third, and fourth, you will have some of your values this time that'll end up being negative. Okay, next ones that we're going to look at, here's just a couple of examples of dealing with either cosecant, secant, or cotangent. So again, the reminder at the top, same thing as before. You would need to start out by entering these in the calculator with 1 divided by, because we're going to have to use reciprocals. So on the first one, you would have 1 divided by, of course you would use sine, since that's the reciprocal of cosecant, 321. Of course we'll have to go to our angle menu to get the degree symbol. Then 49, go back to your angle menu to get your minute symbol. And again, we're going to round this to 4 decimal places. So we would have negative 1.6177. So that one would round up also. Okay, then the last one here on this, we have secant of 276. So again, you would first start with 1 divided by, and you would use cosine this time since it's the reciprocal of secant, and then 267. And 4 decimal places here, we would have negative 19.1073. So that's all you have to do to enter those types of problems into your calculator.